Good evening, viewers. Today we are going to try something different. Prawns roasted in the typical Kerala style. So first we will take about 250 grams of prawns, nicely cleaned, and some additions are garlic and ginger, which will be made as a paste, and then mixed with the prawns and fried for at least 10 minutes on low flame. Please remember low flame. I am just telling you the procedure initially, and then we will later we will remove that from the flame, and we will take about 15 to 20 small onions and ginger, garlic, curry leaves, and this shredded coconut. Chopped coconuts. So these are the ingredients. Now I will take you through the procedure while cooking. So we are going to turn this into paste, approximately 6 garlic, small ginger, and then about 1 tablespoon full of Kashmiri chili powder, pepper powder, again a important component. So now we are going to mix this paste into the prawns. Tablespoon of salt. This is as per taste, but what we like is half tablespoon. We are taking this utensil. We have to make sure that it's evenly warm. Added the virgin coconut oil. It is still on high flame, but before adding the prawns, we will make sure that it's on low flame. So we have added all the prawns into this oil, and we have to stir a bit. Not required very frequently, but yes, it should not burn. So it's time now to remove the prawns fried. They are already fried. Remove from the pan, and then we have to add the ingredients which have to be fried. So garlic, ginger are cut into small pieces, as I told you earlier, and onions. These are small onions. Curry leaves all added. Now this has to be fried for some time. When it turns brown. So right now it is brown. We are adding the chopped coconuts and stir it for some time. Now the Kashmiri chili, 1 tablespoon, coriander powder, just about 1 tablespoon again. Salt has to be added as per taste, and some turmeric powder, which is half a tablespoon or 1 tablespoon. So turmeric powder 1 teaspoon and salt as per taste. Some more virgin coconut oil, and stir it again. Now we are going to add the fried prawns. The aroma is already fantastic, mouth-watering actually. In another might be 5 to 10 minutes on very low flame. This has to be stirred. Make sure it doesn't get burned, and it will be ready by that time. So this is how it looks in the final go. Wonderful taste, very fast to cook. Thank you so much, viewers. Please don't forget to subscribe for this. Your comments are very important and valuable for us. Thanks once again.